Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, optic neuritis. Optic neuritis. Optic neuritis is actually, first we will see the optic nerve first. Optic nerve has a length of 3.5 to 5.5 centimeters, especially from the optic disc to the chiasma. It is present from the optic disc to the chiasma and it has four parts. Intraocular part which occupies 1 millimeters, intraocular part which occupies 1 millimeter, intraorbital part which occupies, this is in the orbit, which is 25 to 30 millimeters, and then we have intracanalicular part which is around 6 to 9 millimeters, and we have intracranial part which is 10 millimeters. So this is optic nerve parts.
thank you and thank you for watching.